Unreal Engine 5.8 isn't just another update, it's a toolbox of breakthroughs. From chaos simulations to cinematic depth, this release pushes creativity further than ever. Let's explore what makes 5 a game changer. Chaos Flesh brings soft body destruction. Think bending metal or tearing muscle in real time. Chaos Hair and Chaos Cloth make strands and fabrics react naturally to wind, collisions, and motion. Chaos Modular Vehicles let creators build cars piece by piece, simulating crashes with stunning realism. Depth Compositing experimental layers objects with cinematic precision. Accumulation Depth of Field delivers buttery smooth focus shifts, perfect for film-style shots. FSSS Fog screen space scattering adds volumetric mist that feels alive. Mocap Manager Beta streamlines motion capture workflows, turn meshes into meta-human, transforms static models into lifelike digital humans. Skeletal Editor Blend Shape Rigging gives animators fine control over facial expressions and body deformation. Experimental opens doors to stylized non-photoreal looks, anime, hand-drawn, painterly. Lumen Medium Quality Beta balances performance and fidelity, bringing dynamic lighting to mid-range hardware. Orthographic Viewport improvements make level design cleaner and more precise. Together, these tools empower both AAA studios and indie creators to work faster, smarter, and more cinematically. It is more than features, it's a philosophy. Realism when you need it, stylization when you want it, and efficiency everywhere. Whether you're building worlds, telling stories, or experimenting with art, 5.8 gives you the freedom to push boundaries. So that's Unreal Engine 5.8, chaos, depth, motion, light, and style all in one release. The future of creativity isn't waiting, it's already here.